Alright, everybody, this is Andalib, and I have a very important message for you guys today. That most of the angers, almost all of the angers, they stem from jealousy. Anger stems from jealousy, and jealousy comes from insecurity. So, if you want to control your anger, then you should control your jealousy, that you should not be jealous from other people. And in order to do that, you need to be very secure, you need to be very confident in yourself. So you need to be very secure with yourself. You need to be confident. Whatever you have enough. You need to be very secure if you want to fight anger and jealousy. Okay? Whatever you have, it is enough for you. And if you want more, then you need to work hard. You are not doing enough to get some more. That is why you are not getting it. If you want something more, then you need to work really hard. Okay? Otherwise, whatever you have, it is enough for you. And if you will become secure, if you will overcome this jealousy and anger, then you will be able to appreciate others, and you will be able to appreciate the things that you have in your life. You will be able to appreciate yourself. So, you need to do this. To overcome anger and jealousy, you need to overcome your insecurity. You need to be really secure in yourself. So this was the gospel that I dropped today, and that is why I am dressed in white. You know, like Christians, I'm dressed in white because I was going to drop this gospel today. So this was it. And speaking of today is I think 30th of July. No, today is 29th of July, and the time is almost 6 of the evening. And yesterday I talked in the video that I wanted to watch that movie, The Prestige, of Christopher Nolan from 2006, but I could not do it yesterday, so I did it today. When I came back from my college in the afternoon after having lunch, I watched that movie, The Prestige, and it was a good movie. The only bad thing in that movie was that Hugh Jackman died in the movie. I was hoping that Christian Bale will die in that movie, but the character of Christian Bale will die in the movie. But it was the character of Hugh Jackman that died. I was kind of rooting for him, but he died at the end. So these were the spoilers, but I was hoping that he should win this feud between these two guys. But he lost, he died in the end. But the movie was good. The climax was good. The story was good. You just have to use your mind. You just have to watch very attentively to understand that movie. Typical Christopher Nolan movie. Unlike Odyssey. Odyssey was like plain. You can just see this movie without having to work your brain, and you will understand that movie. But this movie was different. Typical Christopher Nolan movie, like Interstellar, like Inception, you have to use your mind a little, not like them. You just have to use your mind a little. So this was about the movie, and I dropped a little bit of gospel on you guys because I do not have anything important to talk about today. That is why I am doing this. But if we were to talk about something, we can talk about the CJP. The CJP, Saurav Das, he has said that the CJP has launched Sakshi. They have released a website on which the protesters and the people who took part in that CJP protest, they can upload videos and photos of police brutality on the March of 20th of July. Because they are saying the police exceeded, a lot of force. The police used a lot of force on the protesters on 20th of July during that Sunset Chalo march, and they are saying if any one of you have some evidence in photos and videos, then they can upload that evidence on this Sakshi website, and they will collect that evidence, and they will do whatever they want to do with this. I think they are going to submit that evidence in court. So whatever they will do with this, they are just trying to collect and gather some evidence of police brutality on the CJP protesters on the March of 20th of July. So this is the thing. And this was all about CJP protest. And about 2 hours ago, this new anti-paper leak bill, it got passed in Lok Sabha. It got passed by the voice vote. The voice vote is that whichever side screams louder, that side wins. Whichever side screams louder, that side wins. So the Speaker of the House will ask, do you support this bill? And people who support this bill will say, yes, we support. And the people who oppose that bill, they will say, no, we oppose this bill. And whichever side screams louder, that side will win. So this bill got passed by the voice vote in Lok Sabha about 2 hours ago. Now it will head to Rajya Sabha and it will get passed there too. So the proceedings of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are going on, and Priyanka Gandhi has made a headline yesterday because the central government has formed a committee that will provide them with some suggestions on educational reforms. How can they bring about educational reforms in this country? And that committee has one ISRO guy, has one Infosys guy, and there are some other people in this committee along with the director of IIT Madras, V. Kamakoti. V. Kamakoti is his name. And when Priyanka Gandhi was telling about the people who made up this committee, he said that there is this ISRO guy, there is this person from Infosys, and there is this person, and there is this Gomutra expert. She referred to V. Kamakoti as Gomutra expert because there was a video of him last year in which he was on stage and he was telling about the benefits of Gomutra, cow urine and cow dung. He was saying that both of these things have antibacterial, antifungal properties. They are good in stomach ailments, they are good for digestion, they are good for skin, and all these kind of things he was saying. That is why she referred to him as Gomutra expert. And the right winger, they are very angry that she has disrespected Gomutra and cow dung and all these kind of things. The usual things that they do, they are doing this. But this is just real stupidity, alright. He is the director of IIT Madras, a scientific institution, and he was telling about these things. I do not know whether there are credible scientific evidence is available to support these claims, but he has said this, and I think they are not. I believe that there are not enough scientific. He has also spoke in Lok Sabha yesterday, and he told that it was because of the orders from the direct orders of Home Minister Amit Shah that Delhi police used pellet guns and anti-riot guns on the protesters on the march of 28th of July from the CJP march that took place from Jantar Mantar to the parliament. And people, the BJP people, they just got up from their seats and they demanded, show us some facts, show us the evidence that Home Minister Amit Shah ordered this. And I was like, come on, what are you guys doing? Are you guys really stupid? Are you guys really dumb? Amit Shah is the Home Minister of this country. The Delhi police falls under the direct order of Amit Shah, or under the direct command of Amit Shah. So are you saying that the Delhi police do not follow the orders of Amit Shah, or the Delhi police can do anything they want? They do not listen to the orders of Amit Shah. Are you saying this? Are you just stupid? Are you dumb? What are you guys even doing, alright? He said that whatever the Delhi police did, they did by getting the orders of Amit Shah. And Amit Shah is the head of that Delhi police kind of things. He commands Delhi police. So they might be following his orders. It is really simple, alright? It is not some rocket science, alright? It is simple. Or are you saying even Delhi police do not follow the orders of Amit Shah? How stupid are these people? Come on, if you are trying to make an argument, make it logical, alright? Make it reasonable. So that will sound good. So these are the things. Otherwise, nothing interesting has happened today. Therefore, I do not have any other topic to talk about other than the Prestige movie that I watched and other than the gospel that I dropped on you guys. So, if you want to live a good life, overcome your anger. And if you want to overcome your anger, overcome insecurity. And if you want to overcome insecurity, just overcome jealousy. And to overcome jealousy, you need to overcome your insecurity. And after that, you will overcome your anger and you will become the best version of yourself. You will not be jealous of others. You will be able to appreciate what others are doing in your life, and you will be able to appreciate the little things and big things that you have in your life, alright? This will be good. This will be great for your life, okay? Overcome insecurity, be secure and confident. Do not be jealous of others, okay? And overcome this stupid habit of anger. This will be good. This will be great for your life. I'm also trying to do this in my life as well, okay? I just, cracked this hack today that my anger comes from this stupid habit of having jealousy, and that jealousy comes from a little bit of insecurity. That is why we need to focus on becoming more secure. We need to be, more appreciative of the things that we have. After that, we can overcome these things. So this was all from me today. This is Andaleep signing off, and I am wearing all white because I had to drop this gospel today. Okay, and I am saying this gospel thing because 2 days ago one of the Christian guy commented on my video. So if that Christian guy is watching this video, hello Christian guy, the Catholic person, he said that I should convert to Christianity, something like this. He said that I should convert to Christianity and I should embrace Jesus. Okay, so this is Andaleep signing off. This was all from me for today. All right, bye bye, tata, and overcome your anger via overcoming your jealousy, via overcoming your insecurity. Tata, bye bye.